Towable intelligence repair vehicle integrates professional automotive maintenance equipment through space-optimized modular design, enabling on-site vehicle support services for car owners. The towable vehicle is 2.65 meters long, compact and agile. The front end is equipped with an electric control shifter, allowing for minor towing and shifting of trailers. The tail is equipped with dual hydraulic support columns to ensure stable and safe operation. Dual upward swinging doors, rear tailgate electric opening, quick workspace deployment. The roof photovoltaic panel, combined with a 48-volt battery system, supports long-term outdoor independent operation. Vehicle-mounted equipment, car lift, flip and fold intelligent control, lifting weight of 4 tons. Tire changer, featuring an innovative mechanical boom design, enabling effortless and efficient tire moving. Dynamic balancing machine, automatically and accurately measuring unbalance and angle. Towable intelligence repair vehicle making professional service accessible everywhere.